Hi everyone, my name is Ibo. I'm the partner of Revolution Driving School. Just gonna tell you about our driving school a bit. We opened the school 2016 on August in Manhattan. That's our first location, and then the second location in Queens, Long Island City area, and the second year, and then third year we opened our Park Slope location in Brooklyn, and we teach driving from 16 to 70, 80, whoever comes welcome. From a beginner from scratch to all the way to the road test, pretty much. And we try to give professional services. We have mostly new cars, and we focus on teaching really driving safely. That's our most important, our concern is. And we make sure our students learn driving and they pass the test in the first try. Pandemic times was really tough for us as well. As you guys know, we were closed like 3.5 months, and then after that we opened. We tried to put everything together back to business, and then keep on track again. And then finally, we start picking up. The business start picking up, and we are so far doing good. Alright, so let's say you guys are beginner. From scratch, you're gonna start driving. What we do is we right away take you in the car. In the first lesson, we try to like 30 minutes or so. We try to teach you how the car works. We try to teach the wheel, the gear, the pedals, right position for the seat. We show the blind spots, how they adjust the mirrors, and then in the first lesson, after 30 minutes or so, you start driving right away. We put you right on the traffic, which that makes you learn faster and you pick up faster, which is I think the best way to start learning driving. And what we do is in the first lessons we start mostly driving straight, so work on the wheel control a little and make sure that your wheel control gets better to control the car in the lane, make some maneuvers, and then we move on to turns and parking and broken U-turn as well. And of course highway driving is a part of driving lessons too, which continues usually after 15 lessons, or you pass your road test, you get your license, which will be safer because you need to get some experience to go to the highway too. That's pretty much what we do. So the reason we choose the Brooklyn Park Slope location, because we love the neighborhood. We used to live here close with my wife, and we used to walk a lot in the area. And actually what happened is, first time when we were opening the Manhattan location, we were thinking to open on the Brooklyn Park Slope, which we couldn't really find the space to open it. And then we ended up in the third location, finally in Brooklyn Park Slope. It's a great neighborhood. We love the community here, people supporting each other. I think that's one of the best neighborhoods in Brooklyn.